Hi and welcome to my channel, it's Nashi, and today's video is a nail polish haul video. But first, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more videos and click the bell icon to get all the notifications. So I bought 11 nail polishes, 1 by Essence, 2 by Cien and 8 by Kiko. The Essence and Cien nail polishes were about €1.99 if not mistaken, and the Kiko nail polishes were about €1 each because they were on sale. Now I'm showing you the colors quickly because I will swatch them in a few seconds. The colors are really pretty and I hope you enjoy this video. Which is your favorite color? Let me know in the comment section, and thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and like. I see you in my next video.